flashlight! Katie, get the flashlight! What is that? What's that? I can't see it.
Okay, so we found this big pile of snow and we think that he might be on the other side of this. So let's go check it out.
Okay, let's go.
It looks clear.
Okay, we go. Stop! There's something over there. Ah!
Okay, we just found this pile of snow and there's something behind it. So I'm gonna go get it. Okay, here we go.
Katie, where'd you go?
I think he might have seen us, but I don't know. Okay, we think we spotted him in these woods over here. So we're gonna go check it out and see what we find.
Get down.
That's just you.
What's happening? Katie, where are you? Get back here. Someone's coming. Down. What? I heard something right by you. I don't know what it was. What's over there? Katie. No. Oh my God. Here, I'll go take that.
See him.
Take this. I'll go take it. I can see what it was. There's a flashlight. Right there. It's not working. Katie, the flashlight stopped. Katie.
It's okay, it's working.
Where?
Where?
Right there.
What was that?
Get down. I think I'm stuck in a hole. Quick, help me out. I'm stuck. It's like a giant toilet.
Here, give me your hand.
Okay. He's down there. Look. Let's go. Look.
What is that?
Go get him.
Is that him?
Let's go. Let's go. Katie.
I found him. Look, I found him. Megan, where are you? Where are you? We found him. We found the habitable snowman.